welcome to my video. Now let's talk about the animals' exciting topic. The first one, 马 m, a, 马. Pay attention, it's the dipping tone, it's the third tone. Now let's talk about the importance of the tones. Say, if you pronounce accidentally into the first tone, the flight tone, 嘛, that'd be another meaning, another character. Well, there are many characters that could be 嘛, but the most common one is 妈, mama. So mama, it means mother, mom. That's the importance of the tones. So if you pronounce the 马, alright, that'd be horse. Okay, 马. Let's see how to write it. 一, 二. So this is a really long stroke. That is just the one time, one stroke. 三, 3 strokes only. Then we have 马, 么 a 马, which means horse. Next one, 牛, n, you, 牛. So this pinyin pronounced as you, n, you, 牛. So this is a combination. And then we put intonation here. And as to pinyin, again, as you learn more, building more and more vocabularies, you will see pinyin is just like letters. We will meet you, not often, but that is a combination we need to know. New, let's see how to write it. Obviously, it means ox, it means cow, it's general term of ox. New. 一, 二, 三, 四. So those two animals are also included into the animal zodiac, Chinese zodiac animals. And somebody was born in the year of a horse. You can check on the internet, see which animal year you were born in. And my cousin was born in the animal year of 马. And my nephew was born in the animal year of 牛. And next one, 羊, that is my cousin-in-law. 羊, 一, 昂, 羊. So this is 昂, 昂. Okay, 羊. Let's see how to write it. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六. 6 strokes. Then we have 羊, sheep. You have learned 山, right? Which means mountain. I'll write again. So the first one here is not that beautiful. I'll write again. 山羊, that means goat. 山羊, it means goat. Okay? 山, it means hill or mountain. So together it means goat. And then we have next one. 呢, 一, 敖, 鸟, bird. Let's see how to write it. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五. 5 strokes, we have bird, 鸟. In the animal year, Chinese zodiac, there is no bird, no 鸟. 鸟 is very useful. You will see it often was taken as radicals as well. Itself, it means bird. Say, on the left, I add a little bit this, and on the right, I write 鸟. So this is 鸡. 鸡, chicken, hen, you name it, or rooster. So rooster is in the animal year, one of the 12 Chinese zodiac animal year. 鸡. And then we have next one, 一, 鱼, 鱼. So again, that is the pinyin 鱼. Let's see how to write it. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六, 七, 八. 8 strokes, we have 鱼. So again, if you feel I'm a little bit quick, you can just pause the video and watch it again and again, and repetition help you to memorize them. Today we have learned a little bit more animals. The last one, 虫, 吃, ong, 虫. So this is pronounced as ong. This is rising tone, the second tone. 虫, it means worm, okay, or bug. 一, 二, 三, 四, 五, 六. Okay, 6 strokes. 虫, you will feel weird. It's not big. It's just why we need to learn 虫. There are so many animals we have to learn 虫, because this is again useful radicals. For example, see on the left bit, if I write 虫, and then on the right bit, I write this one. This will be 蜘. And then we have 蜘蛛. That means spider. So this is showing an example why we need to learn 虫, because it's very useful. Thank you very much. See you next video.